Hello, welcome to Profitolizer. Let's guide you through the process of adding services, generating services, and customizing units in the Service and Products section under Sales Services. On the Services/Products page, you can manage the various products and services your business offers. Follow along as we simplify the process for you. After login, at first, click on the Sales Services and select Services/Products. Click plus Add Service to create a product or service. Then enter details like name. Use and calculation. .it refers to including specific data inputs for calculating profitability metrics. And you choose your product unit according to your products and services. Then click green button. You see this interface. We'll also cover how to add units in this video. If you wish to edit a service, you can do so by clicking the pencil icon. This will allow you to update the name, calculation settings, and units. Once you've made the necessary changes, click Save. You can also delete this service and product. Click the trash bin icon, then click Delete, but note this action is irreversible. Let us guide you through generating services with AI. Click Generate Services to automatically create services based on your project settings description. If you want to select one, click plus button. Services to automatically create services based on your project settings description. If you want to select one, click plus button. At last, we guide you how to add a custom unit for services and products. Go to Settings, select Measurement Units, then click the Add Unit button. A pop-up will appear. Enter the unit name and click Add button. Thank you for watching this video.